दौड़ो,
run,
रन, दौड़ो,
run,
पकड़ो,
catch,
छुओ,
catch,
मुझे पढ़ाओ,
teach me,
उन्हें पढ़ाओ,
teach them,
अंग्रेजी मत बोलो,
don't speak English,
दरवाजा मत खोलो,
don't open the door,
मुझे जाने दो,
let me go,
उन्हें जाने दो,
let them go,
मुकेश को जाने दो,
let Mukesh go,
आओ चले,
let's go,
लेट्स गो,
let's go,
आओ पतंग उड़ाए,
let's fly the kite,
लेट्स फ्लाई अ काइट,
let's fly the kite,
कभी मत जाना,
never go,
कभी अंग्रेजी मत बोलना,
never speak English,
कभी भी मत जाना,
never ever go,
कम से कम बैठ जाओ,
at least sit down,
कम से कम अंग्रेजी बोलो,
at least speak English,
क्या करूं,
what to do,
व्हाट टू डू,
what to do,
क्या करूं,
what to do,
क्या पढ़ाऊं,
what to teach,
क्यों पढ़ाऊं,
why to teach,
क्यों पढ़ाऊं,
why to teach,
कहां पढ़ाऊं,
where to teach,
क्यों न जाऊं,
why not to go,
why not to go,
why not to go,
कैसे न जाऊं,
how not to go,
how not to go,
how not to go,
मैं सचिन हूं,
I am Sachin,
मैं तैयार हूं,
I am ready,
एक लड़की है,
there is a girl,
एक लड़की है,
there is a girl,
कई लड़कियां हैं,
there are many girls,
मैं खुश नहीं हूं,
I am not happy,
I'm not happy,
I am not happy,
क्या तुम पागल हो,
are you mad,
क्या तुम सचिन हो,
are you Sachin,
तुम क्या हो,
what are you,
तुम कैसे हो,
how are you,
तुम कौन हो,
who are you,
मैं खुश था,
I was happy,
I was happy,
I was happy,
एक लड़की थी,
there was a girl,
there was a girl,
there was a girl,
कई लड़कियां थी,
there were many girls,
मैं खुश नहीं था,
I was not happy,
क्या वो मोहन था,
was he Mohan,
क्या वो मोहन नहीं था,
was he not Mohan,
तुम क्या थे,
what were you,
तुम कैसे थे,
how were you,
तुम्हारा नाम क्या था,
what was your name,
उनका नाम क्या था,
what was your name,
गुड, वो कौन सी मछली थी,
which fish was that,
Which fish was that?
which fish was that,
मेरे पास पैसे हैं,
I have money,
उनके पास पैसे हैं,
they have money,
मेरे पास जादू है,
I have magic,
मेरे पास जादू नहीं है,
I have magic,
I don't have magic,
I don't have magic,
मेरे पास समय है,
I have time,
मेरे पास समय नहीं है,
I don't have time,
क्या तुम्हारे पास समय है,
do you have time,
क्या तुम्हारे पास समय नहीं है,
do you not have time,
रमेश के पास क्या है,
what does Ramesh have,
तुम्हारे पास क्या है,
what do you have,
What do you have? तुम्हारे पास क्या है,
what do you have,
तुम्हारे पास कौन सी मछली है,
which fish do you have,
Which fish
do you have,
do you have? मेरे पास पैसे थे,
I have money, I had magic,
I had money,
I had money,
मेरे पास पैसे थे,
I had money,
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे,
I don't have money,
I did not have money. क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू था,
did you have money,
Did you have?
magic,
तुम्हारे पास कौन सी कहानी थी,
which story did you have,
Which story did you?
have,
मैं जा सकता हूँ,
I can go,
क्या तुम जा सकते हो,
can you go,
तुम कहाँ जा सकते हो,
where can you go,
मैं लिख सकता था,
I could have
I could have written,
written,
मैं लिख सकता था,
I could have written,
मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता था,
I could have spoken
I could have spoken,
English,
वह कर सकती थी,
he could have
she could have done, वह कर सकती थी,
he could have done,
मैं लिख सकता था,
I could have written,
I could have,
written,
बहुत मस्ती कर रहे ज्यादा से, एक अक्षर न पढ़े नहीं लिखे गधा लोग, मैं छोड़ सकता था,
I could have left,
I could have,
left,
क्या तुम्हें जाना चाहिए,
do you have to go,
should you go,
should you go,
क्या तुम्हें जाना चाहिए,
should you go,
क्या तुम्हें नहीं जाना चाहिए,
should you not go,
तुम्हें क्या लिखना चाहिए,
what should you write,
What should you,
write,
तुम्हें जरूर जाना चाहिए,
you must go,
तुम्हें जाना चाहिए,
you must go,
तुम्हें नहीं जाना चाहिए,
you should not go,
तुम्हें जरूर जाना चाहिए,
you must go,
You must,
go,
तुम्हें जरूर लिखना चाहिए,
you must write,
You must,
write,
मुझे जाना है,
I have to go,
उन्हें जाना है,
they have to go,
क्या तुम्हें जाना है,
do you have to go,
तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है,
where do you have to go,
मुझे जाना था,
I have to go,
I had to go,
I have to go,
क्या तुम्हें जाना था,
did you have to go,
Did you have to go,
did you have to go,
मैं जाने वाला हूँ,
I have to go,
क्या तुम जाने वाले हो,
you are about
Are you about to go, क्या तुम जाने वाले हो,
are you about to go,
तुम कहाँ जाने वाले हो,
where are you about to go,
मैं जाने वाला था,
I was about to go,
I was about to go,
I was about to go,
मैं जाने वाला था,
I was about to go,
वह जाने वाली थी,
he was about to go,
She was about to go,
she was about to go,
क्या वह जाने वाला था,
Was
was he about to
go?
लेट्स सी, चलिए प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल हियर, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल हियर वन स्टूडेंट एंड ही विल कम हियर एंड ही विल टॉक टू मी हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन. सो नाउ प्लीज वेलकम हियर मिस्टर राजू, प्लीज कम. ओके, हाय,
Hello, sir.
could I have your name please?
Yeah, sir. My name is Raju Yadav.
Raju, how are you?
Today I'm fine, sir.
Raju, how old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
So are you here in dance class?
Sorry, sir. I'm not here in dance class, but I'm here in my spoken class.
Can I know what's your spoken name?
Yeah, sir. My spoken name is Welfare English Spoken.
I think your spoken is not very good spoken.
Sorry, sir. My spoken is very good spoken classes in our area.
Okay. Can you speak English?
Yeah, sir. I can speak English.
Okay. Can you speak about your brother?
Yeah, sir. I can speak about my brother.
Please tell me about your brother.
Yeah, sir. My brother name is Raj Yadav. He is 22 years old, and my brother is a very good.
मुझे जाने दो,
Let me go.
उन्हें जाने दो,
Let them go.
रोहन को जाने दो,
Let Rohan go.
आओ चले,
Let's go.
खुश रहो,
Be happy.
पागल मत बनो,
Don't be mad.
मत जाओ,
Don't go.
मत जाओ,
Don't go.
मत खाओ,
Don't eat.
कैसे जाऊं,
How to go?
क्यों न जाऊं,
Why not to go?
कहाँ न जाऊं.
Where not to go?
मैं सचिन हूं,
I'm Sachin.
एक लड़की है,
There is a girl.
कई लड़कियां हैं.
There are many girls.
क्या तुम तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
तुम कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
तुम कौन हो?
Who are you?
रेखा कौन है?
Who is Rekha?
वह कौन सी मछली है?
Which fish is that?
मैं खुश था,
I was happy.
एक लड़की थी,
There was a girl.
कई लड़कियां थीं.
There were many girls.
क्या वह रोहित था?
Was he Rohit?
तुम कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
मेरे पास पैसे हैं.
I have money.
क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू है?
Had you magic? Do you have magic?
क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू है?
Do you have magic?
क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू नहीं है?
Do you have not magic?
Do you not have magic?
Do you not have magic?
Do you not have magic? क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू नहीं है?
Do you not have magic?
मेरे पास पैसे थे.
I had money.
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे.
I did not have money.
क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसे थे?
Did you have money?
Next, I would like to call here one of the best and talented student, and his name is Mr. Sandeep.
Run,
पकड़ो,
catch,
छुओ,
touch,
मुझे जाने दो.
let me go,
आओ चले,
let's go,
उन्हें जाने दो.
let them go.
क्यों न जाऊं?
Why not to go?
क्या वो रमेश है?
Is he Ramesh?
तुम कौन हो?
Who are you?
एक लड़की थी,
There was a girl.
कई लड़कियां थी.
There were many girls.
परफेक्ट. क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसा है?
Do you have money?
गुड. क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसा था?
Did you have money?
मेरे पास जादू है.
I have magic.
क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू है?
Do you have magic?
क्या तुम्हारे पास जादू था?
Did you have magic?
मैं लिख सकता हूँ.
I can write.
क्या तुम लिख सकते हो?
Can you write?
वेरी गुड. क्या तुम जा सके?
Could you go?
क्या तुम्हें जाना चाहिए?
Should you go?
क्या तुम्हें नहीं जाना चाहिए?
Should you not go?
गुड. तुम्हें जरूर जाना चाहिए.
You must go.
तुम्हें जरूर लिखना चाहिए.
You must write.
वेरी गुड. मुझे जाना था,
I had to go.
मुझे नहीं जाना था.
I did not have to go.
क्या तुम्हें लिखना था?
Did you have to write?
गुड. मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
I am about to go.
मैं नहीं जाने वाला हूँ.
I am not about to go.
और भी स्टूडेंट है, ट्राई. क्या तुम तैयार हो?
Are you ready?
तुम कौन हो?
Who are you?
आपका नाम क्या है?
What is your name?
क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं?
Can you speak English?
क्या आपको अंग्रेजी बोलना है?